excursion to Samatan, a place where the rainforest meets the sea. This incredible corner of Sarawak is a true paradise, home to diverse wildlife and breathtaking scenery. However, something is lurking in this beautiful nature, an invisible threat that disrupts ecosystem and endangers life.
Lately, something's threatening this paradise. Plastic.
Plastic, it's everywhere we look, from the toys that spark our imagination to the bottles that quench our thirst. But what happens to all that bottles after we use it? I see plastics everywhere. On the streets, in the river behind my house, even on the beach where we love to play. But it shouldn't be like this. We want our environment to be clean and beautiful.
Let's see how plastic is impacting our nature.
Our nature is drowning in plastic waste, and the consequences are far-reaching and devastating.
Sarah, do you see a lot of plastic waste in the market?
Every day, people come in with plastic bags for everything, even a singles of onions. It creates a lot of unnecessary waste.
Did you know millions and tons of plastic end up in our ocean every year? That's like dumping a garbage truck full of plastic every minute.
As we investigate, we discover the silent threat that plastic pollution poses to fishing. Look, there's plastic everywhere. It is affecting our river and sea.
Meet Pachi Ahmad, a fisherman whose life is deeply intertwined with the sea for the past 40 years.
Pachi Ahmad, how has the plastic pollution affected your work?
It's hard for me for life's the end for my livelihoods. Sometimes even find plastic mixed in my catch. The plastics gets caught in my nets.
Fishermen are aware of this escalating problem. Each day, they grapple with the harsh reality of plastic pollution.
Sometimes I worry for the future. The plastic is very bad for our fishing.
This plastic doesn't just disappear. It breaks down into tiny pieces, as we call it microplastic, harming marine life and entering the food chain we depend on. It is scary to think that the plastic we use could be hurting the animal we love. The plastic pollution is hurting animals such as fish, sea turtle, and many more. The impact of the plastic pollution is more than we can ever imagine. We need to take action now.
Let's see what we can do, starting from our school.
We said no to single use of plastic bottles and brought our own refillable ones. Not only is it good for the environment, but it saves money too.
Our teachers are trying their best to raise awareness on plastic pollution. We're not just throwing everything away anymore. We started a recycling program at school, separating papers, plastics, and glass. It all starts with us, the consumers. Proper sorting of recyclable waste is the first step to reduce plastic waste and create sustainable future. Look how much we have collected. We didn't just throw away our plastic waste. We turned all the waste into amazing artwork. Look how beautiful it is. We are trying to cultivate a sustainable culture in our school.
We are so proud of the students for taking initiative. We are working together to reduce plastic use in our school community. we are encouraging students to bring their own reusable alternatives.
We may be young, but we have a voice.
It's not just about us at school. The community is trying their best to reuse plastics. Imagine a world with great environment, happy animals, and plastic-free communities. That's the green future we want.
We can all make a difference by using less plastic and properly disposing of waste. Every small action counts.
As we look into the future, the challenge is clear. We must act now to protect our planet and future generations.
This is not just a fight for the environment, it is a fight for our collective future, to be the guardians of the green.
Despite the scale of the challenge, hope is on the horizon. With every step we take, we move closer to a greener future. Remember, every small action counts. Together, we can create a green future. We hope you enjoy our mini documentary.
Thanks for watching.
Till next time.
Bye!